Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. We're going to speak about Apple stock price prediction by the end of 2021. An ETF that if you had invested $500 for the last 6 years has given you 400 times profits. Also, I provide stock market price prediction by the end of 2021. So stick around. I think you will like what I have in store for you today. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. This helps me grow the channel and also provide this content to my YouTube family. With that said, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with Apple. My price prediction for the end of 2021 is $210, which is 60% upside potential. Now, the reasons why I'm recommending Apple is because the iPhone demand has been very, very robust. They have introduced lower entry price point iPhone mini. A lower entry price point does not mean lower profits. It's a volume game. They have seen increased sales, and that has resulted in increased volumes. And that in return means increased profitability. Phone mini starting point is $699. Also, there is an extremely strong demand for Apple accessories and other product lineup. AirPods, iWatch, MacBook, iPad, and iMac. Now, Apple in 2020 started creating its own processors. They introduced M1 lineup, which was introduced in MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. This processor is 2-in-1 processor. What does that mean? Unlike the Intel processors where the actual CPU or the processor is separate than a graphics card, Apple has combined both of them together. The processor and the graphics card, or the GPU in technical terms, is on a single silicon. The benefit to that is delivers 60% better performance than Intel processors. In 2021, Apple is planning to launch an even faster processor. It's called M1X, which should double the performance of the already fast M1 processor. Having its own processors results in reduced cost for Apple and increased profit margins. Apple is building upon its ecosystem, which is already huge and brings in considerable amount of revenue for Apple. They recently introduced a fitness app very similar to Peloton. Apple is not going to sell the hardware. Apple is also heavily investing on Apple TV for original content. There are rumors that Apple might venture into electric vehicles. This time, these rumors are coming from reliable sources such as Reuters, and the chances of Apple entering into electric vehicles seems more likely than this time than it has been in the past. They might partner with an existing vehicle manufacturer such as Ford or NIO. Apple is looking to enter into new segments. In this example, it's the fitness app. With these catalysts, I think there is room to grow for Apple. I see a 60% upside potential for Apple. For 2020, analysts predict a 21% uptick in the earnings for Apple. With the extremely strong sales, I think this is on the lower side. There should be an uptick of 28% versus 21% for Apple. For 2021, analysts are predicting that there would be an uptick of 9%. That is highly underestimated. I think Apple could potentially see approximately 22% uptick in their earnings. In 2020, even with the pandemic, Apple has been able to deliver and beat the analyst earning estimates. Apple has a lot of room to grow. By the end of 2021, Apple achieving 210 should not be a difficult thing. Moving on to the next segment, ETF Corner. The ETF that we would be discussing today is called ARK, Innovation ETF. The ticker symbol is ARKK. I believe in dollar cost averaging in ETFs. I look for consistent return and growth. There should not be any reverse splits. Technology focused ETF. What is my risk versus reward ratio? I need past performance to gauge if I should be investing in this ETF or not. I need minimum 3 years of data to analyze. In this case, we have approximately 6 years of data to analyze. If you had invested $37,500, which is approximately 75 months, if you had invested $500 every month in this ETF, the current value is $163,539, which is a profit of $123,039. Now in percent terms, you have gained 436%. Now hypothetically, if you don't put any new money in this ETF and let this money grow for the next 20 years, just this 37,500 would turn into $5 million. Moving on to stock market price prediction for the end of 2021. I expect a pullback of 10 to 15%. Consider the pullback as a buying opportunity. Always buy low, sell high. Congress and Fed have been adding too much liquidity. Fed has been buying bonds of approximately $80 billion every month. Fed has promised to keep interest rates low until the end of 2023. I expect at least one more stimulus package. Vaccine distribution and office retail reopening should be good catalysts for the stock market to perform and deliver 20% returns by the end of 2021. I expect S&P 500 to close at 4,450 at the end of 2021. My advice to my YouTube family is keep investing, keep some cash, at least 10% of your portfolio on the sidelines for any pullbacks. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. This helps me grow the channel and continue to bring this content to you on a weekly basis. With that said, thank you for watching. Have an extremely good day and a year ahead. Bye-bye.